My dear friends, welcome to the world where nature meets art. Today we celebrate a timeless beauty of wooden wall art pieces that bring warmth, texture, and life to any wall, turning simple spaces into reflections of nature elegance. There is something magical about wood. When a piece of natural wood art hangs on a wall, it transforms the space entirely. Each curve, knot, and grain tell a story of nature, time, and the quiet beauty of the forest. Driftwood, reclaimed logs, or naturally weathered pieces carry with them a journey. Their textures, worn smooth by water, wind, or time, invite the eye to linger, to explore every line and contour. Hanging on the wall, these pieces bring a sense of calm, grounding the space in warmth and authenticity. Wooden art celebrates imperfection. Unique shapes and natural hues are never replicated, make each piece one of a kind light. Light plays across its surface, casting gentle shadows that change throughout the day. Giving life and movement to something to still. It's art that breathes with the room. There is a raw elegance in a natural wood, whether a twisted branch, a driftwood sculpture, or a polished log wall piece. Its presence speaks of simplicity and sophistication. It connects us to the earth, reminding us of forest, rivers, and the quiet power of nature that we can carry into our living spaces. When hung on a wall, wooden art becomes more than decoration. It becomes a statement, it evokes emotion, tells stories, and invites reflection. Its organic form contrasts with clean modern interiors, softening edges, adding warmth, and creating a sense of harmony that is both timeless and deeply personal. Wooden art is more than decoration, it is a story of feeling connection to the natural world. Let it inspire, captivate, and transform your home with its quiet, timeless beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, and comments so that I can share more inspirational videos with you. Thanks a lot.